Greetings, everyone, and welcome to the HP Services Trivia Champion Showdown. Today's contest features two top-tier contestants and 3 rounds of fast-paced trivia action. Let's meet today's contestants. Fighting out of the blue corner and servicing top accounts, such as Zones and More Direct, is our Senior Solutions Sales Specialist, Donald Bychowski. Welcome, Don.
Thank you, Rich. Glad to be here.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Fighting out of the red corner and the Ingram Senior Sales and Account Management Liaison to the top 30 accounts in partnership with HP is Mr. Kevin Rivera. Welcome, Kevin.
Thank you, Rich.
Thank you both for being here today, gentlemen. And a very warm welcome and a special thank you to our producer and Associate Client Services Manager, Erica Gregory. Great to see you, Erica. And me, I'm merely your humble host and HP Services expert, Rich Davidson. Let's take a look at the rules for round number 1. In round 1, we have 2 questions given to all competitors, and those competitors have 10 seconds to answer them, and those questions are worth 1 point. Nice and simple. All right, Don, as you know, we flipped a coin backstage to determine who starts first. With your successful call, you won the right to kick off today's contest. Are you ready to get us started?
Yes, Rich, I am.
Excellent. In round 1, in the category of HP Care Packs, Don, true or false? A care pack can be purchased if the base unit or hardware is within its first year of warranty.
The answer to that is true.
That's correct. Great job, Don. And to question number 2. What type of care pack must be purchased if the base warranty is beyond its first year of coverage, but the existing warranty has not yet expired?
That would be a post-warranty care pack.
That's correct. Great job, Don. Excellent work. 2 points to you in round 1. Moving over to Kevin in the category of HP Care Packs. Kevin, what is the maximum term coverage limit for a care pack?
Rich, that would be 5 years.
That's correct. Great job. 1 point. Kevin, name the care pack service that allows an end user to retain their device's memory if the device is exchanged through HP Repair Services.
Great question. That would be device media retention.
Great job. Both points to you, Kevin. Great job to today's contestants. Let's turn up the heat a little bit and pressure in round number 2 by increasing our point values and adding the opportunity to steal an incorrect answer. Let's take a look at the rules for round number 2. In round 2, the official rules, all questions are worth 2 points. There's a 10-second timer to answer every question, and the opponent may steal an incorrect answer. All right, after round 1, we're all tied up at 2 points apiece. Moving into round number 2, Don, are you ready to get us started?
I am, Rich.
Excellent. All right, in the category of Wolf Security, Don, there are 2 specific types of SKUs sold when selling Wolf Security. One of those SKUs is a licensing SKU. Name the second.
That would be a support SKU.
That's correct. Great job. 2 points for you, 4 points to 2. Next question. What is the minimum quantity of HP Security license SKUs that can be ordered or sold to an end user?
That would be 250.
Correct. Great job, Don. Excellent work. All 4 points to you. That's 6 points to 2. Moving over to Kevin. Kevin, true or false? A valid reseller can purchase HP commercial hardware from Ingram Micro Distribution, but has the right to purchase HP Wolf Security software from any type of vendor to resell it to their end user.
Rich, I believe that would be false. Security software must be sold through the same distributor.
Excellent job, Kevin. Excellent job. 2 points to you. That's 6 points to 4. Kevin, how is an end user notified when a threat is detected through Wolf Security?
Wolf Security actually sends an email automatically to the end user.
Excellent job. All knotted up after 2 rounds. That's 6 points apiece. Great job to Don and Kevin. It all comes down to round number 3, where contestants will now use their team's emojis to raise their hand to try to provide the correct answer. Let's take a look at the rules for round number 3. In round number 3, each competitor will buzz in to answer 3 questions within round 3. The questions are worth 2 points, 3 points, and 5 points apiece. There's a 10-second timer to answer, and there is no stealing in this round. All right, let's get into it. In the category of Day 1 contracts, for 2 points, what is the advantage of requesting a longer-term Day 1 contract quote? Kevin.
I want to say lower price.
That's correct. Great job, Kevin. Nice work. That is 8 points to 6. Kevin in the lead. To our next 3-point question. True or false? All Ingram Micro resellers are eligible for a day one contract, regardless of being authorized to sell HP. Don.
The answer to that is false.
False. That's correct. Great job. All right. Wow. Okay. We just had another lead change. It's now 9 points to 8. Don is in the lead. It all comes down to this last question, worth 5 points, in the category of Wolf Security. To imagine the sheer volume of PCs that HP Wolf Security protects simultaneously, Wolf Security asks their end users to imagine its security capabilities are like what? Kevin.
Imagining an infinite stack of disposable PCs while isolating and containing all potential threats.
And your winner, and the new HP Services Trivia Showdown champion, Mr. Kevin Rivera. Great job, Kevin!
Thank you, thank you, thank you.